Hello everyone, this is Janu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. Starting with the introduction, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset is a high-end mobile phone and tablet adapter that has been introduced by Qualcomm in December 2019 and rocking in 2020. Let's go in depth with the processor. The SoC integrated a fast prime core that can reach a maximum capacity of 242 GHz and another 3 easy ARM Cortex A77 cores. The 4 power-saving ARM Cortex A55 cores up to a maximum of 1.8 GHz are added to this. The difference between Cortex A76 and the older Snapdragon 855 and Cortex A77. The speeds of the clock remains the same. Next is Snapdragon 865. The Snapdragon 865 is the pioneer in Android-based smartphone processors. The SD865 can even perform with Apple A13 SoC for several core workloads. A single thread remains, however, powerful suit for the Apple SoCs. The Snapdragon 865 no longer includes an LTE modem. It has to be combined with Latex X55, which supports LTE 24/22 as well. But Wi-Fi also is embedded called Fast Connect 6800 and Wi-Fi 6 support and 8x8 MU support as also Fast Connect 602. CPU and GPU deep dive with 865 Snapdragon. A combination of CPU and GPU is the goal of every smartphone chipset. An extra dominant duo than Kryo 585 CPU and Adreno 650 CPU. 650 GPU Snapdragon 865 cannot be found. Google Play Store. The Google Play Store is the first for the Adreno 650 GPU, which will be available to Android phones. It is really fantastic final chapter. Qualcomm ran almost with Google to distribute its Adreno GPU driver from the other system, making Google Play easy to update with no problem but updating an app. New innovations, advancements in performance, and yet game optimizations can be addressed headlong. The mobile play takes mobile games back to it. Control artificial intelligence next generation. Over the last couple of years, mobile machine intelligence for AI skills have come to hint and limit, and Qualcomm has doubled its ability. A modern tensor accelerate for machine learning workloads arrives with the modem Hexagon 698 DSP. The new feature offers 4x TOPS and improved energy efficiency of 35% compared to previous Hexagon DSP from Qualcomm, which introduced dedicated Snapdragon 855 accelerator. 5G. Through its industry gradually transitions to embedded 5G modems, Snapdragon 865 also needs an external 5G communication modem much like its predecessor. Qualcomm plans to combine 865 with the 5G Snapdragon X55 modem for friends. Included 5G components include the Kirin 990, Exynos 990 and Snapdragon 765, while they are simple half the X555's size. Compatibility. The 5G compatibility modem for the Snapdragon 865 is also needed. External modem requirements have certain energy consumption drawbacks, although embedded modems are simpler. Qualcomm 865 targets maximum performance. Since the X55 is the second generation 5G modem of Qualcomm, the energy performance of X50 used for Snapdragon 855 users could be enhanced. Last but not the least, conclusion. You can check out the list of smartphones that is integrated with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. So choose the best for you and enjoy the best gaming and high performance features in your brand smartphone. If you have any doubt or any question, please write in the comment section. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you everyone.